which one? The insulin? It's 5. 5.00 U, right? That's enough, yeah. Okay. Does it matter which one I'm gonna put first, vitamins, or it doesn't matter? Those are the questions. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you. We got everything now. Okay. Bye bye. Okay. See you. Bye bye. Dali, ito muna. Ako na lang to.
Season lang pala. Nagbibideo ako. Walang yan. Tagabukas lang pala.
Sino ba binibidyo mo ako?
Sige, ikaw na.
They didn't send me the syringes.
Marami pa tayo eh.
If you want, get ready this one for me.
Okay.
Alam mo yan yung nagmisa yung patay nanay ni Ani.
Ayan.
Someone can do this to a community that is very welcoming, that is very loving, that has always been a symbol of love.
But Baraan says because the vandalism took place on Ash Wednesday and had specific messages intended for its faithful parishioners, this was certainly a hate crime. Police are taking this very seriously and looking into the case. And because of the satanic emblems, officers were dispatched to the church yesterday for security. Police say they have evidence, but a suspect or suspects have not yet been identified. The church
Ate, where do you put the used battery?
would like to change.
This is not used.
This one is used.
Where did you get that?
Inside here?
Yeah, that's new. That's new. I just checked it. They always pre-refilled it. I just checked
Okay,
it.
so I just put it back then here. I thought we always change it.
Remember, we just got a delivery.
For organized religion, for the church, because this is not just the community, but this is against the whole church, the whole Catholic Church.
The church plans to clean the statues on the walls and put up
May bayals ka na, ate? Yung ano, kung saan nilalagay. Ay, ito. Meron ka na nito, ate?
Reports say Benjamin Munsaya, who owned the Filipino cuisine restaurant in Merced, was found dead Tuesday inside a care home where he served as administrator. An autopsy is scheduled to determine the cause of the death.
5?
Police have arrested 21-year-old Evan Lovett as a suspect.
5, right?
Yeah.
Reports say Munsaya had promised to pay Lovett $1,800 to work as a caregiver, but would only give him $1,200. Samantala, magandang balita naman po, a record-breaking report on the U.S. job front. New figures are showing the job market is improving. The number of people seeking unemployment aid was unchanged last week, and the 4-week average of applications fell to its lowest point in 4 years. According to the Labor Department,
Paano wala na silang bigay?
paid last week of $351,000.
Ini ba ate yung anong pagkakaano ng gamot ni mama?
Oh, dinagdagan niya ang lipid, mas marami.
250 lipids, tapos Travasol 2.8%, Dextrose 6.0%.
a new one because loans are easier to get.
Siya, narinig ba?
Ano?
It's easy to get a loan for
For what?
the car.
It's easy.
Ayun o.
Why is that?
10, right? I'm not putting it yet.
This one. Yeah, I wiped it.
You did?
Yeah. Want me to do it again?
I just moved it, yeah. I hate this one, it's dripping. This one smells good. Alam mo yung amoy ng vitamins.
Yeah. Yan.
No, I'm not. I mean, I just haven't been practicing Catholic. I'm really trying to get try red meat and so try. Kaya nalagay ko siya sa ganun.
Ngayon siguro ano na lang, pork at saka mga water siguro ng karne. Para
Nabugasan ko na, punasan ko na.
Yan, napunasan ko na.
Tiny bubbles are okay.
Yeah, okay na yan. Study na lang.
Dito, diba?
Yeah.
Saya sa Balitang Amerika. Sumali sa aming news trivia contest. Answer this question. Who are the famous husband and wife doctors sentenced to 3 years probation for operating a business without a license in the U.S.?
Makes it fresh.
Find the answer on our website, www.contest.yes-cbni.com. The winner of this week's trivia
Dali.
will receive a prize courtesy of
Mix it.
Get to see video on demand and watch your favorite shows anytime. This is the best time to subscribe. 9 new packages to choose
Hindi masyadong malamig.
Yeah.
Why?
activation fee at set-top box sa libre pa rin. Tumawag na sa 1877-8843FC.
Kasi yun yung nasa ibabaw eh. Parang nga hindi yan ang gagamitin. Hindi masyadong malamig, which is fine.
Pwede na. Ilan ulit? 6 ate? Or 7?
What do you mean? Punasan mo ulit siya.
Lalagay mo din yan ate? Dito?
Ready? Napunasan mo na?
Yeah. That's new. We should...
Tigas. This is insulin.
What's that?
Just 0.5 of insulin. The insulin.
Ano yun?
Paano ng sugar?
Oh, yeah.
Wala na, right? Pa 0.5 lang yun.
Iyan mo, meron pa.
Bubbles na yun eh, oh.
Okay.
Mix mo.
Ate, yan.
Yan yung insulin.
Wala na laman?
Yun na nga yun.
Oh, yun na ba?
Ah, may laman yun. Yun ang gagamitin bukas.
Add 10 ml, 5 units of insulin into TPN bag and mix well prior to each infusion.
10 ml? 0.5.
Yeah. That says right there. 0.5 ml.
Yeah.
Add 10 ml multivitamins
Yeah.
and
0.5
5
ng,
units insulin into TPN.
Uy, tama na.
Sabi, mix well eh.
It doesn't say shake well.
Here, now take this out.
You cannot?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it out. Said.
No, clean it. Tumain na si mama buo na.
No
I
way.
mean, hindi na yung tubig.
Oh, that's
Kasi
good.
may kinain na siya.
Big news.
Ako na lang ah. Kasi
Eh, masakit
nahirapan
yan.
kayo.
deal with China's ZTE Corporation for the public broadband deal that was awarded in 2008. A royal faces life imprisonment is convicted. Corruption is also being blamed for the loss of millions of dollars in possible investments. The Drive Hotel and Gaming Corporation win
Ladies
is
flat.
saying it refuses to do business in the Philippines.
Kamuha ni Charis yung kasama niyo.
When Steve Winthrop joined the CBS World America Bureau in 2008, we were very hungry for Filipinos.
Na-shake mo na, nilagyan ko ng ano, diba yung sign?
But if
Yeah.
given a chance, he would love to build a casino in the Philippines.
My company in Macau has the most wonderful group of boys and girls from the Philippines, the best, the absolute best. They're the most beautiful, with the most wonderful smiles, and the greatest service personality for hospitality